Welcome back, guys. It's Alon here, and we have another weekly recap. It's been actually a very interesting week. Let's have a quick look at our stats. So if you guys remember, about 2 weeks ago, we were actually almost 10% down. So we've done essentially a 10% gain in the last 2 weeks. So what that means is the crash that we had 2 weeks ago wasn't the end of the world, and I was telling you guys that it was a good time to add more funds. Remember, little dips like that are great times to invest because you would have got a little 5 to 10% increase almost immediately. So, little summary, we are looking like the past 3 months have been a bit of a meh. We haven't really seen anything good happen, but the good news is that the tides are turning. So if you guys didn't know, we recently have news from America, of course, that the Fed, the Federal Reserve, so these are the people that control the interest rate, and the interest rate is essentially the cost of money in simple terms. The higher the interest rate, the more you have to repay on borrowed money. So typically speaking, as interest rates go down, people are less incentivized to hold money in savings accounts and more incentivized to invest in higher risk stuff like stocks to get a return. So what this means is that the interest rates are going to start going down for the first time since essentially COVID. It means it's very good news for the stock market, it's very good news for crypto, and it's making the outlook for the next 1 or 2 years look very good for assets. So that's what we're looking at. Everyone with a home that's paying a mortgage, everyone's going to have more money in their pocket, and this is great news for us. So this is going to coincide with what I've been expecting for a good end of year. We can see that we are only up 8% up until this point. It's not terrible. It's, I would have liked it to be a little bit better, but what's happened is the volatility that I thought would happen around here after the Bitcoin halving has actually come a few months later, which is fine. So now, if you are wondering, it is a good time to add, but there might be an even better time to add coming before the end of the year. So don't shove all the money in. Wait for a little dip like we just had, and there definitely should be another opportunity before the end of the year. But we are looking very good. A lot of our holdings are going to do very well. We've had crypto, really a lot of them are up 20% this week, so really recovering quite well. And then stocks are going to do well as well. So we might be looking at possibly adding or changing some positions towards the end of the year when we do start cashing in on our predictions. Things are going to get really exciting soon, and I'm so grateful for all of you for being on this journey with me. Thank you. I'll catch you guys all next week, and thank you for tuning in.